So the other day I met a lady. She was born and raised in America. Never been to Jamaica, but speaks 100% Jamaican. When I was talking to her and she was talking to me just like a Jamaican. And I was astonished. And she noticed my astonishment and decided to explain how it happened. So she told me that it's because she had dated two Jamaicans in the past. And I thought about it and I think there's no way she could speak that much Jamaican from only dating just two Jamaicans. But yes, folks, as for me, I did my assessment and my research, and yeah, let me tell you one thing: these Jamaican niggas are everywhere. We're everywhere. Yes, I am one of them. So trust me when I tell you, we are everywhere. Now we even on those dating sites. Not a good thing. Anyway, I did my work, I did my assessment, my homework, and I came up with a nice round number of the total amount of Jamaican this woman actually fucked to be able to speak that much Jamaican. The number is 44. Yes, so she left out 42 Jamaicans out of the story. I'm not a judge, look, I just want to know the amount of, I just want to know the number. Yes, I'm not here to judge her. If it's 144, more power